Hey guys, I believe you can manifest anything you want, and I'm going to share with you how I do it. From manifesting my dream car, to my dream apartment, to my dream job as a student pharmacist. I started making a vision board back in 2020, and ever since then, my vision has been coming true. If you've ever find yourself struggling with a fixed mindset, or if you simply want to dream bigger, then this is the video for you. You need to get crystal clear on what you want. And you need to be able to answer questions like this. Where do you want to live? What car do you want to drive? What career do you want to have? Do you want to have a career? Do you want to get married? Do you want to have kids? If you do want to have kids, where do you want your kids to go to school? So think about all these things or other important things to you. If you have health goals, you can add those in. If you have spiritual goals, you can add those in. Financial goals, personal goals, relationship goals. After you get crystal clear on what you want, the next thing that you need to do is you need to write it down. Research shows that the people who write down their goals are more likely to accomplish them. And for me, I would suggest that you put pen to paper. It's something about putting pen to paper. Go further than just putting a note in your iPhone. So when you write it down, put it in present tense. When you write it down, you need to put it in present tense. So you can put, for example, all the things that you want. I am a homeowner. I am a six-figure earner. I am a wife. I am a mother. Whatever your goals are, write those down. So I think you should go further than just writing it down. The next thing that you can do is you need to visualize this. You need to see yourself living this life as a wife, business owner, or whatever your goals happen to be. So in order to visualize this, I suggest that you make a vision board. It can be any time of the year. Matter of fact, if you're watching this video now, you're getting a head start on your vision board. Everybody else waits till December 31st, but we're doing it now. So what I like to do is I like to get on Pinterest and I like to name my board either according to the year or whatever my theme is for the vision. So like for me, I named my vision board New Era or Self-Concept. And then you can write everything on there that you want. You could put everything on there that you want, including the topics that we talked about earlier. So after I make a board on Pinterest with everything that I visualize myself as, then you can either make a physical copy or digital copy. There are templates on Canva if you'd like to use that, or you can just simply print out the pictures and either put it on like a poster board or like a bulletin board, whatever you like to do. And then another thing that I recently started doing, and this is something that I suggest that you all do, is you can write your goals down in affirmations. So earlier we talked about writing in the present tense, which is important. I am, or you can go even further, take it a step further, which is Bob Proctor's method that he suggests, which is I am so happy and grateful that I am a licensed pharmacist, or whatever your goals are. The next thing that you need to do is you need to take aligned action. Don't be that type of person that prays for something and then forget all about it and do nothing towards the prayer that you just made. After you put the prayer out in the universe, yes, it doesn't have a GPS on when the goal is going to arrive to you. However, you need to be putting in the work in order to reach that goal. So say that one of your goals was, I am healthy and I live an active lifestyle. That means that you need to be making meals with a lot of fruits and vegetables. Determine whether or not you'll eat red meat. For your active lifestyle, what type of hobbies do you have? Are you going to play any sports to stay active? Are you going to run? Are you going to play tennis, pickleball, whatever that may be? These are things that you actually need to put into practice. Then you can also have a routine. So not only, maybe you say you're going to play tennis. Okay, so are you playing once a week, twice a week? This is how you create the active lifestyle. You have to actively start showing up as this person that you want to become. And then the final thing that I suggest that you do is review, refine, and reflect. And don't forget to show gratitude. Make sure you're being grateful for where you are and not always looking toward the future. Actually enjoy the journey. The journey is an adventure in itself. So sometimes we need to stay in the journey to enjoy it longer, to appreciate the journey, because we're going to look back at it and be like, wow, these are things that I asked for 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 1 year ago, and I'm a living proof. I'm a walking testimony. So regularly review. For the affirmations, that's something that you can do daily. You can either do it in the morning time or nighttime. I kind of like to do both, or I even like to go to sleep and meditate on the goals that I have. I have a special surprise for you guys. If you're ready to start creating your dream life too, I'm starting a virtual book club. It's very low stakes. I just started reading The Secret, and I want you guys to start reading it with me if you want to join, so that we can keep each other accountable. And then I'll review the book in 2 weeks from the day that I drop this video. So go ahead and order yours. Let's read the book together, and then let's discuss. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe below.